Hi sellers! Today, we'll share a quick guide on how to upload category permits on the Shopee Seller Center para makapag-comply sa Internet Transactions Act. Siguraduhin na unahin ang pag-upload ng category permits bago mag-add ng bagong product listing dahil hindi ka makakapag-upload ng bagong product unless you submit the required category permits. Kung ito ay existing product na sa inyong listing, siguraduhin na mag-upload na ng permit bago pa ito masensor. Here's how to upload your category permits. Sa Seller Center, click My Products on the left side of the screen, then on the upper right-hand side, click Product Settings, and click on Permit Management on the drop-down. Pagdating mo sa Permit Management page, sa upper right-hand side, you'll click on Add New Category Permit. Select the appropriate category for your items, then click Confirm. Then input the corresponding details of your permit, then submit. Upon submission, you'll be taken back to the permit management page where you'll see the status of the permit that you uploaded. If you previously submitted required permits via the Registration for Regulated and Controlled Goods form, kailangan mo pa rin mag-submit ng documents sa Seller Center by April 28 to avoid listing restrictions by April 29. For more information about uploading permits, bisitahin ang Seller Education Hub.